So we shall be looking at how to insert figure captions and how to insert figure titles automatically in MS Word. How to insert figure captions and figure titles automatically in Microsoft Word. So I shall be using a document which is a chapter 4 of thesis, and this chapter has several figures. It has several tables. So in this case, we shall be looking at the figures, how we insert captions and titles, and then later on in another video we shall look at how to insert the table of figures. So we can see that this document has several figures. That is figure 1, it is a pie chart. We have another figure there, it's also a pie chart. We have another figure there, it's also a pie chart with its title there at the bottom. Then we also have another one there with its title at the bottom. So we have quite a number of figures we shall be looking at. We have another one there. We have another one there. We also have another one there. We have quite a several number of figures. So we shall be naming these figures. We shall be inserting captions and titles automatically. And then later on we shall be generating what we call the figure, the table of figures. So to start with, what you do is that you come to the first figure, which is this one. You click on it and then you right click on it. You come here to the insert caption. You click insert caption like that. Then it will give you a figure number. So this is the first figure. So the caption will be named as figure number 1. So then you type the name of or the title of the figure. So we can say that this is the age of respondents. You can type the age of respondents like that. Then you should realize that this is a figure, it is not a table, so let it remain at a figure. Then generally the Microsoft Word requires or advises that the title of the figure should be below the figure. It should be below the figure itself. So the position here, you can see that it shows that it is below the selected item, which is the figure here. So then you can click OK, and then you see that the title of the figure has been inserted here, that it is figure number 1, age of the respondent. So we can delete that one. Then we can come to the next figure, which is this one. We can right click on it, we insert, then figure number 2. So we can see that this is the sex of respondents. Then you click OK. Then you can see the figure number 2 has been inserted like that. Then you may need to format these figure titles. So if you come here to the styles, you can check that the figure title is under caption, but this figure title is in italics, so you may need to edit it. So you can right click on the name caption here, then modify. Then you may need to click on this italicized so that it is removed. So when you click on it, it is removed. So you can see that when you click on it, you can see that. So when you click on it, you can see that this one changes. So you can see that it has changed. If you right click again, you can see that it is italicized. So when you click on it, you can see that the italics is removed. Then you can click OK. So we can go to the next figure. This figure number 3. You right click on it, you insert caption there. So you can see that this is the English level, right? English levels of respondents. Then you click OK. You can see figure 3 has been inserted. So then you go to figure number 4. Go to figure number 4 there. You can just even copy in the previous title like that. You can cut it, and you click insert caption, and then full colon. Then you can paste your previous title there, and then click OK, and you can see that the figure number has been inserted there, figure number 4. Then you go to the next figure, it is participants country. Then you can cut it like that. Then you can click insert, then insert caption, then put full colon space, then you paste your title like that, then you click OK. Then you'll see that the figure number 5 has been inserted. Then you go to figure number 6. Figure number 6 is this one. The title is correlation analysis. You cut it like that. Then you right click on it, you click insert caption. Figure number 6 automatically appears. You paste your title there, and then you click OK, and you will see that figure number 6 has been inserted there. Then you go to figure number 7, which is this one. The title is correlation with control variables. You cut that title like that. Then you insert caption. You put full colon space. Then you paste your title like that. Then you click OK. Then you see that figure number 7 has been inserted. Then you come to this other figure, figure number 8. So you cut your title like that. You right click. You select, you right click, you insert caption, then you put full colon, you paste your title there, then you click OK. Then we go to another one. Here is effects. Then you right click, you click insert caption, then you put full colon, you paste your title like that. Then you click OK. Then you see that figure number 9, the effects of country to correlations has been inserted. Then you go that way. Let's check if there is another figure. There is this one, structural model results. So you cut, there is the cut the title there. You select, you right click, you click insert caption, you put full colon, then you paste your title, then you click OK. Then you go on, and there is another one. This one is measurement model results. You cut the title, you select, you right click, insert caption, full colon, paste the title, click OK. Then the title appears. Let's see if there is another one, and you can see that all the figures has been named. The last figure is figure number 11. Figure number 11. And then so we have figure from figure number 1 all the way up to figure number 11. So that is how you automatically insert captions. And then when you insert captions, you insert the titles automatically from figure number 1 up to the last figure of your document. So the next video we shall be looking at how we automatically generate the table of figures. How we automatically generate the table of figures for our document. Thank you.